So here we are, boys and girls. This is the Frugal Gardener. A couple of weeks ago, I put out a little challenge and I asked you guys how many seeds were in this packet. Well, it took me a while to get around to counting them, and it took me a while to count them after I got around to it. And the seeds are tiny. Excuse me. And I tried to put them in piles of 10. They jumped around a little bit. So the count may not be 100% accurate. There's roughly between 9 and 11 seeds in each of these piles. So I did the math and it came out to 460 seeds. Now, according to the packet, there's supposed to be 600 plus. So, even without having a 100% accurate count, it looks like we're about 100 seeds short. Now, I don't know if this is just a random mistake or whether this is what happens on a regular basis, but the bottom line is there are nowhere near 600 seeds in this pack. So, there you have it. I don't know if you want to conduct your own experiment, but like I said, these seeds moved around a bit. So, even if you give them the benefit of the doubt and you say 500, if I miscounted by 40, then you're still 100 seeds short. And it says 600 plus, not 500 plus, 600 plus. So there you have it. This is the Frugal Gardener. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Enjoy your day.